Hey guys, what's up? It's Katia. I'm really tired today, but I just wanted to do a quick review on the shampoo and conditioner that I'm about to try that I just bought, and also this leave-in hair mask. So the shampoo, it's by Silk Elements, and I have the conditioner too. And I actually have a heat protectant made with this, which made me want to get the shampoo. And it is with turmeric, aloe, and silk. And it's supposed to provide antioxidant protection while improving hair strength. So it's basically, it reduces breakage for longer, stronger hair, which is something that I really need. So we will see how this works. And that is what the conditioner is supposed to do too. So I'm going to try them both out. And then after that, I'm going to use this hair mask. And this hair mask is a strength plus a color care mask, and I have like blonde plus purple in my hair, so I'm hoping that this like boosts the color and makes it shinier again. And it says it is supposed to, well, this is what it says: color treating can leave hair looking dull and feeling like straw. Purple rice water strength plus color care mask infuses brittle strands with intense hydration to restore health and strength. So yeah, this helps brighten hair. Why do I keep messing up? This helps brighten hair while diminishing warm, brassy undertones to preserve radiant color, leaving strands looking their brilliant best. So I'm really excited about this. And I'm gonna hop in the shower. I will use this and I will let you guys know how it goes after I wash my hair. And yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm brushing it out now, and it actually feels like a lot smoother. Like a lot smoother. When I was running my fingers through it and I was taking it out of the towel, it just feels like a lot silkier. And I could see how it feels like it's putting vitamins in my hair. It feels great. But I'm gonna let it dry and I will get back to you guys probably when I style it tomorrow. So you'll see the difference between today and tomorrow. But so far I think it looks good, and I definitely want to see what this does long term. And the color looks good too. But we shall see. It's like really silky smooth. I love the way my hair feels after a hair mask. Okay, so I'm just gonna, brush it and put some heat protectant in it and then straighten my bangs how I want them. And let's see how my hair feels. I also got like a spray heat protectant, so I'm gonna use it on my bangs too. It's like annoying how much hair I get in my eye. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna brush my hair. Oh, kind of naughty, but whatever. It feels definitely not as naughty. Ooh, okay, so the color underneath is not like kind of like a dull yellow how it was before. It kind of looks, I don't even think it has a toner in it, like maybe a slight one. I don't think so. I'm not like that experienced to say like if it does or does not have a toner in it, but my hair does look brighter and like silkier, and it looks like, it kind of looks like it got toned like all the same color, kind of, like, except for like here you can still kind of see the yellow, but it doesn't look dull. I'm gonna stick this, I already stick this in the ends to make it not frizzy. to help it grow. That way they stay moist. Better, okay. I love having, I don't know, a lot of product in my hair just so I know it stays moist all day. That might be bad, it might be good. Comment, let me know. I just noticed that it helps my hair like not break from being dry. I have a problem with dry ends. Excuse my grandmother, please. So you can probably hear her. See, this side has way more volume after I, you know, straighten the top of it. I straighten like this side, but not all the way down, just enough to get it out. And then these little bangs things that just kind of go against my head, I straighten those out, but not all the way down. I don't really let the straightener touch my ends anymore. And then I just straighten that up so that it's a little bit of volume. And the top, I straighten this just like how I was doing it on the sides, so it flattens it, makes it less kinky. And I do the back too. My camera ran out of storage, but I am almost done. Okay, so I am just going to hairspray my bangs, brush those. Perfect. And then hairspray the top, just so I don't have any flyaways, and then just kind of brush that way, and brush that way, and brush that way. Okay. Cool, so I'm gonna brush it one more time. Actually, it feels really nice. It looks really nice too. It looks smooth, and yeah, I mean, I would recommend it. I haven't been using it for that long. Like I said, I showed you, I've only used it one time, but I'll get back to you guys also in a few weeks to let you know how it goes if I keep using it. And yeah, but so far I recommend it. Yeah, if you like this video, subscribe and like it if you want to. Okay, bye.